How to remove email account from Windows 11 PC. On the PC, you need to go to settings. On the search bar, you can easily search for settings. When you get access to the settings page, then at the left panel there are multiple options. Just select accounts. And on this page, you need to select accounts again. Once you get access to this accounts page, you have to scroll down and select email and accounts under account settings. And if you have multiple accounts on your Windows 11 PC, you can easily select the email account that you want to remove. Just right click, or you can click on this arrow at the right side of that email account, and this on the drop down menu box you can select remove account button. And in order to confirm that you are sure to remove this account, you can simply click on yes. Remember, email and content associated with it will be removed from this device. If an organization manages this device, all the stored data may be removed by your organization. So you need to make sure you really want to remove this account from the Windows 11 PC. So click on yes button. After that, it will be removed from your Windows 11 PC. If you want to add another account, you can click in this add or Microsoft account or add or work or school account and easily enter the email and the password and add here as well. So in this way, we can easily remove email account from Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the like button, press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.